Hi and welcome to Basic Mixer. Today we're going to do another cooking outside experiment, or actually cooking in the car experiment. This is our third experiment. The first experiment was not in the car, but it was outside in a kind of a solar oven contraption. The next time I made granola in the car. Well, I baked it in the car. And so of course this is probably not going to work if you live somewhere where it's cold. So I live somewhere where it's very hot, and it's summertime right now, and so it's the perfect time to try such a thing. So I'm using a broiling pan because it's kind of dark, and also it's going to make the brownies kind of thin, which will be easier to cook. So let's see if this turns out well today, hopefully. Okay, so we have our brownie mix. I have 2 tablespoons of water. Half a cup of cooking oil. This happens to be coconut oil, but you can use whatever oil you have. Just like the flavor of coconut oil. And 2 eggs. Before I forget, I'm going to spray this with some oil here. Oops. Come on now. Uh-oh. There we go. Oil's not super cooperating today. Up with that. Feisty oil today. Okay. Alright, well, let's make some brownies. And of course, if you were making these in the oven, it would be 350 for around 30 minutes or so, depending on how thick your pan is. 30 to 45 minutes probably. Just read the instructions on your brownie mix. Mix this too much, probably. It's probably about done. It's pretty good, huh? Alright. Get all our chocolatey goodness in the pan. Otherwise, I might be tempted to eat the batter raw, and dang, we don't want any E. coli from our raw eggs. So. Kind of spread it out. And in this case, we want it to be kind of thin. Usually, you might not want it to be as thin as this, because you might want your brownies to be a bit thicker when you bite them. I'm just going to kind of even it out. It may not go all the way to the edge, but that's kind of okay, because it's more important that it gets all the way cooked. So that's why we have such a long pan. Usually would use a shorter pan, and the brownies would be thicker. So, but here we go. This is working out okay, I think. Looks pretty good. Okay. Alright, so that's what it looks like. Pretty good, huh? So let's take a quick chip outside and put it in the car. Okay. you have a van, but you can put it in any car as long as your dashboard is big enough. Okay. Well, alright, sorry about that. Okay. It's already bright and sunny and kind of hot. I think it's about 86 right now. But it'll probably get up to that was probably crazy looking. Anyway, it'll probably get up to like 109 this afternoon, so it probably would even need to be quite that hot, maybe at least 100 though. Okay, so we have this sitting in the sun. As you can see, I'll show you a shot from outside. There we go. So please check out our next video to see how they turned out. Please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave us comments and suggestions. Thank you and have a great day.